welcome back to the Could Try Harder channel, where we're trying to repair our 1971 early bay here, Bertie the bus. And currently I've done a little bit off camera. I'm sorry about that again. I've started to fill the door and rub it down, fill the door, rub it down. There were definitely some ripples in the door after we welded the door skin in, and so had a look on YouTube, and there's some videos on there telling you how to sort of sort out the oil canning, and so that's what I've been doing basically, heating it up with a blow lamp and giving it a whack with the body hammer and then cooling it back down with an ice cube. That seems to work pretty well, so no more oil canning, but it has left some dents on the door that needed filling. So yeah, definitely not going to be one of these projects that's claimed not to have any filler in it. And yeah, that's what we're going to be continuing on with right now. So sit back, relax, grab yourself a beverage and enjoy, because yeah, I'm doing all the work. I've added some closed cell foam pads here to the workbench to stop the door sliding around. That works really, really well. So if you're having that problem, try it out. A door in the hole, and I've started to put the door back together again. So if I open her up for you, so this section is the first section to go in. There's a metal piece in here just around the outer part of the quarter light, and first thing to do is to put this rubber here into that metal form, then push the window in, and it needs to go right to the edge. Now once you've got that in, there is a screw up in that section there. I don't know if you can see that, possibly not. Just up here. And that's crosshead Phillips screwdriver, I think it's M5. So you'll know when you've got the window roughly in place, because the hole in that metal section will line up with a hole in the top of the frame here for you to put the screw in. So that's where we've pretty much got to for the moment for this weekend. Been kind of busy, we've got some chickens, and yeah, so that's why I haven't done quite so much on the bus as I'd hoped. But next section is to we've got the window regulator in ready, so we'll put the window in. But I need to get the two runners in. So there's a runner that goes down here, which is this part, with that section at the bottom, ends up bolting into there, so that goes into the window frame. So that's one of the next sections to go in, and there is the lower runner, the lower window runner, which goes in here and clips onto a little clip which you almost certainly can't see down there. That needs to go in as well. Now the problem we have with that, if I take you round, so bear with me, the problem we have with that is that this is ours. I would imagine it's pretty common for these things to rust away, but this is pretty horrible. So I'm on the lookout for one of these at the moment. Straightened it out as best I can. I guess we could reuse it, but that whole bottom section is gone, so I'd probably have to fabricate something which will slow me down a bit. Anyway, so that's where we are up to at the moment. More on the bus next week, as and when I get a chance. So yeah, thanks very much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, tell us what you like, tell us what you don't, and we'll see you in the next instalment of the bus restoration. Thanks very much. Bye.